With so many CMMs out there, how do you know which ones are right for you? Hi, I'm Collin from Fowler. Let me run you through our comprehensive CMM lineup.
First up is the Fowler AberLink Fulcrum. This is an entry-level manual CMM. It's built for the shop floor, which means it's impervious to dirty environments and is also great for scanning or reverse engineering. The small benchtop design takes up minimal space and can be placed right next to your machine tools. It makes simple work of inspections that might be time-consuming with hand tools. Our customers also find that the Fulcrum is great for first-part inspections. All of our CMMs use AberLink 3D software, which is quite possibly the easiest CMM software in the world.
Next up from the Fulcrum is another CMM built for the shop floor. It's the Fowler AberLink X-Tall.
The X-Tall combines speed, flexibility, and automation readiness in a rugged delta arm design. Moving it up to 750 millimeters per second, it delivers rapid motion and precision for high-throughput inspection on your shop floor. With Teach and Repeat, you can guide the CMM through an inspection in manual mode using the joystick, then simply press play to have it repeat the same routine automatically. We kept the footprint small since we know how much of a premium space can be.
Another shop floor friendly CMM in our lineup is the portable ZCAT. Three things set the ZCAT apart from other CMMs.
First is the Teach and Repeat programmability. It's as simple as using the probe like a pen to program an inspection routine. We love Teach and Repeat so much that we built it into every one of our motorized CMMs. Once you're done teaching it, click play and let the ZCAT run your inspection. Second is the portability. It weighs 30 pounds and runs on battery for 4 hours. That means you can create inspection routines at your engineering desk, then bring the ZCAT down to the shop floor and hit play to run the program. Third is the 360-degree range of motion. That means you can set up your fixtures to inspect multiple parts in a sequence. That allows you or a robot to hot swap parts out once they have been inspected, allowing you to keep the inspection routine running continuously without having to pause.
The next CMMs in our lineup are designed to handle bigger and bigger parts with lab-level accuracy.
The Axiom delivers bridge-style precision with a clear upgrade path. Start out with the less expensive manual version and upgrade at any time to the CNC version for full computer and motorized control. It's fast, accurate, and reliable even in harsh environments with its friction-free air bearings and all-aluminum bridge. It comes in 4 different sizes. Like all of our motorized CNCs, the Axiom 2 also has Teach and Repeat programming functionality.
The next 3 in the lineup are meant for a lab or inspection room.
The Horizon, Halo, and Azimuth are all CNC CMMs intended for much larger, heavier parts, where the highest level of accuracy is required. Like all of our other CMMs, they utilize AberLink 3D software, and all have the ability to create Teach and Repeat inspection programs. The Halo is the least expensive of these lab-grade CMMs with a cost-saving belt drive. The Halo can be supplied with any Renishaw touch trigger probe and probe head, which means it's also great for reverse engineering. The Horizon is an upgrade over the Halo with a frictionless linear drive and also has greater accuracy. Both the Halo and Horizon have a payload capacity of 1,000 kilograms. The Azimuth is our largest bridge CMM with the greatest measuring range and highest payload capacity. It utilizes a belt drive system, much like the Halo, and is constructed using aluminum honeycomb sheets developed for use in Formula One and the aerospace industry. The remarkable stiffness means it's not only fast, but extremely accurate.
Now, a different line of CMMs that give you an even greater range. Portable measuring arms with up to 9 meters of range.
Portable arms are great when your parts are too big or heavy to move. Just bring your CMM to the part and start inspecting. The Fowler Tremos A3, A5, and A6. The Tremos A3 is engineered for high-precision measurement of small components with up to a 6-axis, 1.8-meter arm. The A5 and A6 models offer accurate inspection for significantly larger parts, covering ranges up to 9 meters. The A5 is a 6-axis arm for precise touch probe inspection, perfect for classic quality control. The A6 adds a 7th axis for laser scanning and reverse engineering, plus an ergonomic handle for smooth, continuous surface capture. Hopefully, that gives you a quick overview of our CMM lineup and gives you an idea as to the best use case for each one. Let us know if you have questions. Just shoot us an email or ask our AI chatbot on the website.